We're going in blind again. I have no earthly clue what this is going to be. Orla, Gartland, The Sound of Letting Go. Is this a cover? I feel like that's a song that I should know. Might just have a similar title. Ooh, let's take that down a smidge.
Go to the city if you wanted to. It's laid out right in front of you.
All right.
You could take over it all, maybe. Dog eat dog world, baby. It feels mad trying the same damn thing over and over, and take my hand. You know I'm your girl, but I'm impatient and cynical, waiting for a miracle.
With this.
I hate it. I can see every feeling written on your face. Boy, put your foot on the brake. Paint a picture in your mind of us in a cage. Then take it away. That's the sound of letting go. And man, does it feel so good. That's the sound of letting go. Oh, do you hear it? I can't change you, can't change me, can't change anything. So yes, I gotta let it go. That's the sound of letting go.
Cool.
That's the sound of letting go. Someone asked, is it worth it? Could you tell them that I'm perfect? Sometimes I sit down and I wonder, have I turned into a monster? Oh, it feels mad doing the same damn thing over and over, and take my hand. It all becomes clear. I've been playing God, I wanted to be the one to control you. How you look, how you act, what do you think about that? That's the sound of letting go. And man, it's
I don't have a subwoofer or anything, but that note just made me poop my pants. Please excuse me.
feels so good. That's
Cool
the
production.
sound of letting
Really
go.
fat production.
Do you hear it?
Kind of trashy sounding drums.
You can't change me, can't change anything, so I guess I gotta let it go. That's the sound of letting go. That's the sound of letting go. And man, does it feel so good.
Yeah, that's a good lyric. That's the sound of letting go, and man, does it feel so good. This whole channel is about letting go for me. I'm a terrible perfectionist, and this is where I get to just not worry about it, you know? Just not worry about anything.
On the telephone,
Like, for example, right now I'm a little worried that this isn't really going to be all that interesting of a reaction, because I'm just kind of listening to it and enjoying it, but I'm letting go.
do you hear it? I can't change you, can't change me, can't change anything, so I guess I gotta let it go. That's the sound of letting
I'm in a jammy mood. This is cool. Weird, but catchy. I'm really liking that combination overall. Unusual, unique, lots of personality, but also catchy bangers. I really enjoyed this. Not a whole lot else to say about it. It's very short, to the point. It hits. Let me know what you think I should react to next in the comments below. Don't bother subscribing. It doesn't do anything. I'll see you in the algorithm, but only if you stay squishy. Ha ha ha.